for Ghana has say beef kesia baako every year a pejani mo na asanso atiada the beef between the former president Jerry John Rawlings and Kufuor. Na asanso epejani mu na mebema sequence of events. Answer you better aso subscribe na click the notification bell no and no that screen so see we the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Na sequence of events ni any beef ne de epejani mu two counts ni ya mo den krata aba bonten a won hu seni asebe ye di ye ho antem a obehu ne say yes in a very professional way. Na any this year yebeka say October 31st and there may a podcast November 5th. Until October 31st, meet me 5 days ago. And I say Rawlings and our former President Rawlings now or address Ghana Journalist Ghana Journalism Association is a GJ or address GJ Ghana say in some trough ekuno or address you and I say what can say Ghana has say sebi because that time na insio ato ama Accra Upper West Eastern Region Kumasi na be bia aflade ye na ye hu pictures ni bi inti na Rawlings address ensem no na walker say flada esi ewo enkran ende insio petekra na enkran aflade no wono Rawlings ne dia wo say yemfa so bo ni nia embo former president Kufuor and I'm going to say, na Rawlings asemi asemi awokofa be oni journalist say kasa asemi awokofa be fine and na Rawlings church asie e no ka say de ntia wono wodi ni nia ebebo Kufuor no and say wo hwe motorway side the southern side wo hu hotels and say indan kese the Villaggio ene nyama ewo ho na sandan ni na wo se Kufuor ene siye na anase Kufuor na ma ho kwai ema yesiye na sandan ni bebia yesi sandan no wono sebe waterway ewo Accra ha se waterway kese ewo Accra ha se na Kufuor be da ne president no ena wo gisi nani so ena chese wo si dan ewo ho nti se Accra air flade a yemfa nche Kufuor because wo ye no nkrofo nso esua ye nkrofo na mo wo ono na aban mu no esua ye ema wo mo nso ekogie waterways bebre esisi nyama kese wo so nti let's say Accra air flade a sa waterways ya yesisi ndan hotels mansions akese wo so no no na Kufuor ena trese wo share sa nyama na se nti waka asemwe no ena trese nkrofo se Rawlings insema wo ken edi asembe bawo Kufuor so de one thing I say I share my Rawlings and say anything because obviously they be a Rawlings peja and same ni mo nako make I say it was last year was a day Rawlings ekwa kan same bi sa na Asante Hene ne same bi and also sa Kufuor ba out ebe cha say Rawlings there wo hwa na to say we trouble Kufuor or hwa na we trouble Kufuor enti eno ene ma Kufuor camp enso ka say da bi aden na papa every year wo hwa na to say what to bo mama ye ni pay aden enti former president Kufuor Nankasa ni spokesperson a friend Dr. Kwame na Osei Adobofuor what then some ebetu jana me person me reading the statement no etrem was say when a champion gave a bungalow to Nkrumah's family it was Rawlings who took the bungalow and gave it to DF Anan inti senior Rawlings ebe attack Kufuor no Kufuor so ne camp ebe attack Rawlings in a very say unrelated issue inti Kufuor ne camp the omo can say na Rawlings embra a champion sebe what the bungalow emma Nkrumah ne family no wo Rawlings na wo be je sa de ne fi Nkrumah family e na wo de be ma DF Anan because Rawlings is sama wa kan no asema Rawlings kan say wo hwe Kwame Nkrumah de wo ye ya Nkrumah live ne legacy na legacy Nkrumah live wo Ghana no freedom and justice na Kufuor de ne legacy a wo ye ya ne say wo be sisi villages no and the Ghana ye bre ewom na Kufuor nso sebe obae no wo be say Ghana for ye economy no and ne sema Rawlings nka ekan internal Kufuor so the spokesperson what the fast angle no say na when Rawlings so be ka Nkrumah ho asem wo Nkrumah ye man the family bungalow no one akwaje bungalow ni fi the family nsem I say when fatia ye ne Fatia Nkrumah Kwame Nkrumah ne yere no na wo fi Egypt no Or say when Fatia wanted to be buried beside her husband, we all know what Rollins said about that. Naturally, say Rollins ampene ama say be Fatia yensie no. Ewo niknu enchen. Or say someone built his hotel and later buys it. So Kufuor's son bought African regions. What is wrong with that? Or say Kufuor neba ena wato ono ane papa ne hotel. Bonebe ene wom. What is he trying to achieve? We are talking about flats and you bring in Kufuor. Inti what your spokesperson Kufuor camp the omo can say Rollins ade a wo ye say be a day infaso ena obenye frame. Ye kasa about flats. O ni asem kan ye din inti Kufuor din wo dey be frame yi. How is it related? We na Bosanso de tia so say you pick a grudge against Kufuor because he replaced you. You couldn't have been president forever. Na dientia a branch and Kufuor camp the dientia mususu say dey bia Rollins woni Kufuor e wa asem ne say wo hwa Kufuor e betu Rollins e free ade so. It was say eno na twese eya no still e wa Rollins mu because na Rollins per say we president forever. Senior Mugabe na wo ye e wo ni krom no sana na Rollins o pese o ye we ni nsema efi Kufuor camp. Inti eya na eti ni mu no still wo sorry bia na twese eya na ya say Kufuor pa mama branch we betu mi efi ade so. Inti wo hwa na ne ya na twese wasan to bomb e wo hwa na ne inti o say Rollins a sheda e na twese wafa Kufuor ho tan just because Kufuor and be replacing as president. Na asem we ya efri eye Kufuor camp no mo amonim say Rollins want na so na eho na Rollins nso e de nkrata ebetu dwa etiefuo na nkrata no eho na me frɛ no professional insults wodi bubo mu enye easy o na wase wono no wo hu ne say Ghana economic woes ende ye bre yesi o si ni na so boni nya yemfa mbo Kufuor ena sebe wan hyehyɛ nyama yie a trickle down ebedu Kufuor do so nti ende Ghana fo ka se sister ni mo ayedin a ye trace back enko Kufuor so na eye Kufuor ena waye na me pese me read just some part because Rollins statement no because of time into me reading na but me read just some part of the statement. I say I cannot be silent knowing where, when and how the rot started all over again in this country. Iti senior efi Kufuor camp say Rollins aden o sorry bia na chese wo to abokufuor na Rollins said dabi me de me ntumi nyekom de biara da se mehu se Ghana ye how ni na efi nipa we ho nipa no ogusu ti ase de me nyekom me kasa amankrofo ehu amankrofo investigate ehu se eye na kre Kufuor na se be wo ma ye bre. Personally I'm not saying that's the truth but Rollins name sem in America. I see, if I were to call you a hypocrite and other adjectives related to your character defects, I would be stating a fact about your nature. Wasi Kufuor tese nyachum. Tese ye can nipa wo ye nyachum pan dia etiefo. Wasi and other adjectives. Not tese nyachum. Ye ka so obi ye nyachum any the other related things to nyachum ya. Eye Kufuor nti wo boss wa munja no boss na ye ne kre na wo ka na wo wie ye no ni statement no senya wo end ye no ne ending eye sentence no na me pesa me de brel wo say for your information being civil is one thing, being hypocritical is something else. If I had such character traits we probably would have been allies. Na wo say yes wo no there one ba bonten senior Ghana for can one ba bonten yan beka se Kufuor na danfo da bi Kufuor nya na danfo na de ntia Kufuor nya na danfo ne se wono Rollins wo nya nyatwom nti so obi ya nyatwom a enya ne tan won fa nipa ko ne se na danfo nti se nde Ghana for mo so we aka se Rollins wo tan Kufuor a enya ne kre Kufuor enya na danfo because Kufuor ya nyatwom ni Rollins enya easy etiefo nti no I think that this year the Rollins so edebeba no send me din kan no every year a tie sorry ana to din this year the so na sorry na year no enye wie nti menim say next year the so ebeba me de bebra mu etiefo mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu e ma yen me da ase.